Get under the bridge, maybe? Well, no, because there's...
Gotcha, bitch! Say that, you little bloodsucker. Enemy heavy spotted. Start repair that. Ammunition here. Ammunition. Start repairs. Reload. Take some ammunition.
Yes, get shit on. Yeah. It's infantry or anti. Lightning bearing 1 degrees.
Hostile lightning tank spotted.
Primaries. If that were the case, I'd run a battle rifle and an LMG, or battle rifle and an SMG. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Sorry, that's not happening here, sir. Alright. Lightning left. 2 lightnings. You must have good fire suppression. Yeah, it's like there's no way it's 29. They would not do an odd number. Yeah, get him, boys. Get him. One. What was that? Oh, yep. Wait till we get closer. Prowlers? No, lightning and a prowler. Are you serious? There he's dead. I was gonna say he has to be. Okay, dude. Is that friendly? I'm imagining we got. Okay, yeah, there's definitely something up front here. What's up, brother? I'm ripping some planet side. Probably the only thing Sony did. I hear you, Nick. I hear you, Nick. Probably the only thing good Sony did for the world is planet side 2. What's up? Makes it flat. Well, I can't do anything about it right now, but if you need it, well, we just started fucking I can fix it for you, but it probably won't be till after the holiday because my shop just closed.
Prowler tank.
Yeah, I don't have anything. I don't have anything here to help you with that flash. Yeah. Otherwise, I'd help you out.
No problem. I'll let you get some.
Well, if you can't find anybody when the holiday does come around, I'll get that fixed up for free, brother. Just let me know. How's things going, bro?
Oh,
Maybe. There's always a chance. I'm sure there are some platoons that get like that. Lightning 12 o'clock. We bailed.
Destroy the lightning.
Prowler, rear, shields. We're fucked, dude. There's no way. He's on fire, though. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, dude. That's what I like to see. Yeah. And we came into a too hot enemy prowler. Going left. The friendly prowler's chasing me. Might chase him around here. No. Okay, well. I wish you could do magazine size and reload speed instead of actual magazine capacity or ammunition capacity. Oh my god, hold it here. Yeah, we're gonna have to be a lot pickier.
Eyes on an enemy rifle.
Damn, what was that?
TR mosquito spotted.
Hit the ammo tower, we'll come around for a flank. Alright. What is he doing? He's a fucking idiot. He's probably distracting us. Well, he's gonna fucking die. He's an idiot. Oh, the ant's dead. Yep. Good riddance. He ran me over once, I'm pretty sure. I'm trying to be a little more cautious here. Probably that same lightning, but there's two there, so he's probably dead. No, left. Bearing 210. Let's be careful chasing him. Lightning right, 250, different lightning. He just came over the hill. Hopefully that Vanguard does his fucking job. Those cannons. Yep. Those cannons those rounds curve. Rounds curve. I feel like every time we get shot by a lightning, they make an impossible fucking trajectory. Good hits all day long, dude. He's coming back in. Straight above. There's no way I can give you a bearing on that. Oh, I don't see him anymore. Yep.
I can repair that.
Lightning bearing 0 degrees. Yep, I'm hitting him. He's gone. Sunday coming down the road. And he's armed. Dangerous. He's on fire. Lightning 12 o'clock, bearing 15 degrees. We're gonna have to move for this one. Yep, let's go. We do have another Vanguard coming in. Okay, he took care of the other Lightning.
Lightning spotted.
Lightning, get in. Good shit on, dude. Okay, good engagements here.
Start repairs. Thanks.
Yeah. Sunder heading up the road.
Hostile Sunder.
I made some good contact.
Sunder destroyed. Spotted the hostile mosquito. Enemy Sunder spotted. You got an enemy Sunder spotted.
We got flak. Yeah, we really need to stay close to this motherfucker.
Got that mosquito.
We can't keep losing. Keep focused on Sunday.
Hostile Sunder eliminated.
The field is ridiculous. Oh, right here, right here, right here, to our right, bearing 313. Well, we don't need a lot of salt popping in and fucking eating us.
Took out an enemy Sunder.
Where did he come from?
Hostile Sunder eliminated.
Yeah, let's heal it up.
Give it your all.
Identified Republic mosquito.
Good hits.
I'll start repairs.
He's gonna die. The other tank saved us again. Save us, yeah, but he just, like I said, he made it much easier to survive. I wish I could make the FOV on this gun a little less until I zoom it. Sunday coming in.
Sunder spotted.
Maybe we pop around, see what's going on, yeah. Just saw infantry going left to right.
Hostile engineer.
I can't believe I hit him 3 times. We
Enemy
got a quad.
flags in the air. Visual on hostile engineer. Come out.
I'm going hard on this guy, right? I'm going. Yep. Yeah, they got tank mines and shit out the ass. We did come in with clean 3Ps, tons of infantry.
Needs this facility.
Technically an aircraft,
Wrap it up.
because I did a majority. I had him on fire when they shot him down. I'm in. What did the Flash brothers think they were doing? They have like 1,500 points of health, bro. That might be an enemy Sunday. They just called it. No, no, it shows on the map. Tank mines, but we don't have to worry about it because And there's another one. Yeah.
Took out an enemy sucker.
They probably have one inside too. Well, no, like, there's no way if they're spawning right there. That's a phalanx gun. I got out. I got out. You have another. I got out 2 heal.
We've lost the facility.
There's a prowler. What killed us? Oh, I see. Yeah, I seen that.
This will be good as new.
We spawn at Ymir Ruins.
Cover me.
I knew we should have stopped and engaged that goddamn prowler. They had more Sundays to pick from than you would ever believe. I guess you can't spawn